Myself Neetu Kumari and I am a science teacher. This is the chapter of class 6. Change around us. This is the 6th chapter of your subject. Change around us. We have already seen that every day something is changing and something is happening in our daily life. Something is changed, something is reversible, something is not reversible in day-to-day life. So in this video and in this chapter we will learn about change. Let's see what is change. Change in the law of nature. Yes, this is the law of nature. Everything is changing every day. Lot of change occurred in nature. Let's some examples. Day change into night, summer change into winter, and daily to daily life and daily to daily seasons is also changing. So changing is the law of nature. We can see this change because of change in one or more of the following. Let's see: position change, shape change, size change, color change, physical change, and features change. If we take some example of our daily life, when we bought a new cloth, some days and some washing, their color should be down. So this is the change. And some changes are divided. Some changes are divided in two categories. First, reversible change, and second is irreversible change. First of all, we learn about reversible change. What changes are reversible? This is the change reversible if the substance can be brought back to their original form. Reversible change is those when changing is occurred and sometimes and some days, a few times later, it should be take their original shape or size. So this is the reversible change. Let's take example: ice change into water on heating. Yes, this when ice is changed into heating of vapor, when sometime it take their original shape, vapor is changed into water. Whereas water change into the ice cooling. So water change into ice cooling, and when ice is made, it takes its original shape like a water. Second one is irreversible change. Irreversible change is that which is not reversing and take their original shape. The change that can be reversed. Example: the burning of paper. When we burn the paper, it can't be take their original shape. Aging and leading means when the baby is born, when days are he could be child to be infant, child to be adult, and adult to be old age. So this is a change, it can be reversed. Rusting of iron. Iron should be rust and can't take their original shape. Work. Your work is differentiate between reversible and irreversible change. This is your homework. Let's move on. Next is physical and chemical change. What is physical or chemical change? A physical change is temporary change. It means it's just like a reversible change. So this is the physical change where no new substance is formed. In the physical change, it can make their new substance. Some example of physical change. First, stretching and of rubber. When we stretch a rubber, it should be elastic, and when we hold it, when we release this elastic, it takes their original shape and size. Next is dissolving salt or sugar in water. When we dissolve salt or sugar and evaporate, we can found sugar or salt. Next is tearing of paper and evaporation of water. Evaporation is also take the reversible change. Next one is chemical change. Chemical change is just like irreversible change. It is permanent change and In the chemical chain, a new substance is formed. Just take example, burning of coal. When coal is burned, it releases vapor and carbon and hydrogen gas. Burning of candle, it also produces CO2. Your work is differentiate between physical and chemical change. To work is to be this related to this chapter. Next, move on is slow and fast change. Some changes are slow and some are very fast. Some fast changes, slow changes, we can't feel this change can be happen, but slow fast change we can see our eyes and we can feel this change. So just tell you to slow and fast change. Slow change take a long time to complete this change. Example, germination of seed, ripening of fruit, rusting of iron. This is the slow change. Fast change, it takes short time to change. It is done in a short period and we can feel this change. Example, changing of ice into water, burning of paper, breaking of glass. This is fast change. How change can occur? Some points and some changes. How can it occur? Let's some example. Several ways in which change can be caused. First, wiping force. When we force something on things, it can change their shape. Take a balloon. If we force on the balloon can change their shape. So force is responsible for change. By mixing it means when we dissolve salt or sugar in the water, it should be changed and take their another shape. By heating it means evaporation. When we heat something, gas or melting, it change their shape and size. Mixing and heating, when we mix some chemicals or when we heat, it take a new look and take a new position. So these things are responsible for change. But some changes are not happening and don't take their shape in the heating or melting. Some example, let's take example of chapati. When we made a chapati on tawa can be heat the chapati, but chapati can't take their another shape. So this is the change we can't feel and the change can't be take their another shape. So this is the complete your chapter. Your work is the two related work in this video you have to done and do your MCQs and question answer also. And if you have any problem, leave your message in our comment box. Thank you.